Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Poco M3 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to take screenshot without buttons on this device. So first you should go to the settings and scroll down to the additional settings. Now just here go to the button shortcuts, and here you'll see the take a screenshot section, tap there, and now just switch the noun to the slide 3 fingers down, and now just when you'll slide with those 3 fingers down at the same time, you can take a screenshot. I will take it one more time. You can also just send the screenshot to someone, or also when you'll just tap here to the screen, you can edit the screen. For example, you can crop them or type something here, or just share with someone, or just print the screen. And now you can delete this screen, or you can save them. And now when you'll just go to your gallery, to your photos, for example, and just tap here to allow. And here you can just in library, you can see here your camera folder, and you'll find this here, your screenshot. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.